Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. Today I am doing a video about affordable lip balms under rupees 100. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any videos and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. Once again I am here with yet another product of our daily beauty regime in this winter season, and the product is lip balms. Lip balm is a necessity for everyone. In fact, it is a base to make up your lips in a healthy way. Then what's better than having a nice lip product to nourish and protect your lips? I just go randomly, and the first product which I have is a HimalayanHorribles lip balm. It contains wheat germ oil, carrot seed oil, and it claims that it nourishes lips, prevent drying and chapping. The net weight of this product is 10 gram, and the actual price of this product is 30 rupees, but I bought this at rupees 23 from Nika sale. So the ingredients are also mentioned here. So it has 100% whole ingredients. So it is a hypoallergenic product without any harmful chemicals. The product is like gel having off-white color. You can see here. Its fragrance is like a bubble gum, and it is non-greasy and moisturize your lips for quite a long time. So the next lip balm is a local Chinese lip balm with a strawberry flavor, as it shown in the outer part of this lip balm. And but I don't think it smells like a strawberry. The price of this product is 25, and I bought this from my local market, and the ingredients, shelf life and quantity, nothing is mentioned over this lip balm, as you can see. So the fragrance of this product is like fruity kind of something. It is little bit tinted lip balm. As you can see, it is little bit tinted lip balm with little pink pigmentation, but it doesn't moisturize your lips for a long time. It is best suitable for summer season. The next product which I have is a Nivea Fruity Lip Care 3 benefits in 1 lip balm. It claims that Nivea Fruity Lip Care with 3 benefits in 1 lip balm is an innovative formula that helps repair dry and cracked lips immediately, provides long-lasting moisture, and leaves lips smooth with the wonderful subtle scent of strawberry. Not recommended for children under 3 years of age. Skin compatibility, dermatologically approved, and the price of this product is 45, and I bought this from my local market. And the shelf life of this product is 18 months from manufacture, and it contains 10 gram of product. There is no ingredient is mentioned in this product, so it is a con for this product. So I love using tinted lip balm, but to break down the monotony, I decided to pick this non-tinted formula, and I am super happy with this. It comes in a small white tube, and the formula is colorless like a jelly. As you can see, it's like a jelly. It has beautiful strawberry scent because it's shown here also. So lip balm easily glide on your lips. It keeps my lips moisturized and supple. The staying power is not too bad. but reapply is needed after meal or washing your face. So it is a nice product. The next product which I have is a HimalayanHorribles Strawberry Lip Balm Ultra Moisturized Lock. And the ingredients are mentioned here. The price of this product is 40 and I bought this from Nika and I didn't get any discount in this product. And the shelf life of this product is 3 years from manufacturing. So it contains 10 gram of product. And this lip balm comes in a cute little round tube made of transparent plastic. The balm feel a little more waxy and thicker than other lip balm which I included, as you can see. But its fragrance is like strawberry. This keeps the lips moisturized for a long time. It gives soft shine to lips, so it worth the price. If you want to try, then it have different flavor also, like orange, mint, blueberry, etc. So overall it's a nice product. The next lip balm which I had is a Avon Natural cherry flavor lip balm. It contains sunscreen and it has 4.5 gram of product. It claims that the deliciously flavored lip balm moisturize and soften dry lips, contains sunscreen, and there is a mention here also how to use this product. And the shelf life of this product is 3 years from manufacturing, and there is also no ingredient list, so it is also a con of this product. And the price of this product is 99 rupees. I bought this from Avon representative because every time discount is going on in this lip balm. This come in twist of form and it give little tint to your lip, as you can see. It doesn't give shimmer and the fragrance is like a cherry also. It has a nice consistency. It also come in strawberry flavor. It doesn't feel heavy on your lips and it tastes sweet also. Other lip balms are tasteless, but this lip balm have little bit of sweet taste. So it is nice lip balm in 99 rupees. Out of 5 lip balm, this is the best lip balm which I used, and cause it is little bit costly than other lip balm also, that's why it is good. So overall it is a nice product. So hope you like my video on affordable lip balm under rupees 100, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.